Welcome to The Balanced Being, your space for exploring the harmony between nutritional, physical, and spiritual well-being. Today, we're delving into a profound connection that often gets overlooked, the vital relationship between our health and the natural world around us. This isn't just a modern discovery. Ancient wisdom and contemporary science both point to its importance. Let's explore what the Bible and scientific research reveal. Our journey begins with the foundational text of the Bible, the book of Genesis. It paints a picture of creation where humanity is intrinsically linked to a thriving natural environment. And God saw everything that He had made, and behold, it was very good. This original state of very good implies a holistic well-being, nurtured by the created world. Consider the provision for our physical needs. And God said, "Behold, I have given you every plant yielding seed that is on the face of all the earth, and every tree with fruit in it. You shall have them for food." This biblical provision resonates deeply with our understanding of nutritional health. Science emphasizes the importance of whole, natural foods for optimal physical function and disease prevention. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and grains, just as described in Genesis, forms the basis of many healthy eating guidelines. The Bible also hints at the healing power inherent in nature, extending beyond just sustenance. And on the banks, on both sides of the river, there will grow all kinds of trees for food. Their leaves will not wither, nor their fruit fail, but they will bear fresh fruit every month, because the water for them flows from the sanctuary. Their fruit will be for food, and their leaves for healing. This speaks to a deeper connection between nature and restoration. Modern science continues to explore the therapeutic properties of plants, leading to advancements in medicine and highlighting the wisdom found in traditional remedies derived from the natural world. Furthermore, the Bible suggests a responsibility in our relationship with the environment, impacting our overall well-being. The Lord God took the man and put him in the Garden of Eden to till it and keep it. This call to stewardship aligns with scientific findings on the positive effects of nature on our mental and spiritual health. Spending time in natural settings has been shown to reduce stress, enhance mindfulness, and foster a sense of peace and connection that contributes to our spiritual balance. The consequences of disrupting this natural harmony are also touched upon in the Bible. The narrative of the fall suggests a fracturing of the relationship between humanity and the environment. And to Adam he said, "Because you have listened to the voice of your wife and have eaten of the tree of which I commanded you, you shall not eat of it. Cursed is the ground because of you. In pain you shall eat of it all the days of your life. Thorns and thistles it shall bring forth for you, and you shall eat the plants of the field." As we reflect on these insights, it becomes clear that both ancient biblical wisdom and contemporary scientific understanding emphasize the profound link between human health and the natural world. The Bible provides a foundational understanding of our place within creation and our responsibility towards it, while science illuminates the specific ways in which nature nourishes our bodies, minds, and spirits. By recognizing and nurturing our connection with nature, we can cultivate greater balance in our lives, nourishing ourselves with natural foods, engaging in physical activity in the outdoors, and finding spiritual solace and connection in the beauty and order of the created world. Thank you for joining us on The Balanced Being. We hope this exploration has inspired you to appreciate and engage with the natural world in ways that support your overall well-being. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please like it. Subscribe for more content on nutritional, physical, and spiritual health. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future explorations. May you find balance and well-being in all aspects of your life.